Hi, today we'll finish about the arcade trivia December week 2 code scheduler quick start. Okay, let's get started. Start the lab and we'll open the incognito mode. Okay, lighting and we can read, we can skip active cloud shell and we can from here we set up about the region to use best one. Okay, we open code cell. Okay, we agree and open code cell. And don't forget to copy to set the region. We click authorize and waiting again. Yeah. So this about the beginning of quick start. Okay. There is called schedule. Let's use setup schedule units of work to be executed to definite at times or regular in the past. Others we will waiting. We can read about what is cloud scheduler. Okay, this what units are commonly known as cron jobs. Typical use case may include sending out a report email on daily basis, updating chat dates every 10 minutes, or updating summary information on how can automate everything, including retries in case of failure to reduce manual intervention. Okay, it's about God's color. Uh, is finished. Start up. Hotel, we copy set region. Okay. After copy region, we search about API code scheduler API. You can search from here, cloud scheduler API. Click the top results and we must enable because we use cloud scheduler. So we need enable the API. And we can copy pubsub topics. We create pubsub topic, the name cron-topic. And don't forget to subscription so we can get the email. You can subscription to create the job. Okay. And after that, we waiting and wait until create a topic and create subscription. Then check my progress. Okay, after that, create a job. We search code scheduler again in the Google's code search because we have enabled it. We can use code scheduler. And in the code console navigation field, okay, create job. Click here. And the name is job name test one. Yeah, get a job pro. Okay, the region is use west. Oh, can use you can space, but you must use dash. Okay, for spacing. Change region to use space one and specific frequency for job is at it's like minutes or every minutes, right? Then time zone is Indonesia. Yeah. Jakarta. Continue. Target type is pop up. Okay. Right. And the message topics we chose our projects. And message body we copy hello cron. Ah, please take job pro. Okay. Okay, continue. Let's get great. Yeah. And waiting again. Data began after this grade. You can verify is run or not. Okay, wait until 2 minutes because the job is not run yet. Okay, we can force a run for faster. And after that, we can could call pot subtraction making until distant and on. And we can test the acknowledge. You can trigger an app engine action message via code pubsub or hit arbitrary HTTP endpoint running on compute engine, good component engine, or on premises with your code schedule job. Is true. Okay. Because what? Because you can trigger to get any job like to app engine, so you can sending message about app what is the uh app engine like, oh, job is successful like that. Okay. Okay, still has not run yet, we're waiting. Okay, then Google pops up, waiting until job. Okay, we has look that status of last execution is success. So there is message that time can read. Please take a job, bro. E message is message ID or then K attributes. Okay, is exactly. So we call Google calls pops up. So the status of last execution successful. Okay, we can finish. Congratulations, you have finished the lab and check last gadget is green is the lab about cost schedule Qwik Start is finished. Thank you for watching. See you soon.